Have you ever felt like you're stuck in the same place? No matter how much you try to improve? You read books, watch motivational videos, and get inspired, but nothing really changes. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and another year goes by, leaving you wondering, why am I not making real progress? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, the most successful people in the world, people like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Oprah Winfrey, didn't just stumble upon success. They invested in themselves strategically. They had a plan. And that's exactly what I'm giving you today. A step-by-step, 12-month blueprint to transform your life. If you stick with me until the end, you'll have a roadmap to becoming smarter, more productive, and financially independent, without wasting years going in circles. But here's the catch. This isn't just another video to watch and forget. This is a challenge to change your life. So are you ready to take control? Let's dive in. Most people fail at self-improvement for one simple reason. They don't have a plan. They try to change everything at once, get overwhelmed, and quit. Maybe you've been there before. You start strong, excited about making a change, but after a few weeks, old habits creep back in. You lose momentum, life gets in the way, and before you know it, you're back to square one. Sound familiar? This happens because most people focus on consuming information instead of applying it. They watch videos, read books, and listen to podcasts, but without action, nothing sticks. The secret? A structured system that makes progress inevitable. That's what this 12-month blueprint is all about. Breaking your growth down into manageable steps that build on each other. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, you'll focus on one key area each month, creating a strong foundation for lasting success. Imagine where you'll be in a year if you follow this. Smarter, healthier, wealthier, and more confident. So let's get started. Month 1, clarity and organization. Before anything else, you need a clear plan. This month is all about eliminating distractions, setting goals, and creating a system for success. Write down exactly what you want to achieve in 12 months. Break it into smaller milestones. Remove anything that's slowing you down. Negative habits, toxic people, pointless time wasters. Create a daily routine that supports your growth. Month 2, high performance habits. Most people rely on motivation, but motivation fades. What you need are systems and habits that keep you moving forward even when you don't feel like it. This month, focus on building discipline, waking up early, exercising regularly, optimizing your time, and eliminating bad habits. One small habit at a time. Month 3, financial intelligence. Money is freedom, but most people are financially blind. They don't understand how to manage, save, or invest. This month, learn the basics of budgeting, investing, and increasing your income. Read books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Set financial goals and start building long-term wealth habits. Month 4, skill development. The fastest way to level up your income and opportunities is to develop high-value skills. Whether it's learning how to sell, code, write, or invest, pick a skill that aligns with your goals and go all in. Take courses, practice daily, and apply what you learn. Month 5, strategic networking. Success isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. This month, focus on building meaningful relationships. Reach out to people in your industry, attend events, join online communities, and learn from those ahead of you. Your network can open doors you never knew existed. Month 6, productivity mastery. If you've ever felt like there's never enough time, this month will change your life. Learn time blocking, deep work, and focus techniques. Cut out distractions and start prioritizing the things that actually move you forward. Work smarter, not harder. Month 7, health and energy optimization. Your body and mind are the foundation of everything. This month, dial in your nutrition, exercise, and sleep. Cut out junk food, build a simple workout routine, and optimize your rest. The better you feel physically, the more energy you'll have to dominate in every area of your life. Month 8, creativity and innovation. The most successful people aren't just workers, They're thinkers. This month, expose yourself to new ideas, books, and creative challenges. Travel, visit museums, brainstorm new business ideas, or start a side project. Challenge yourself to think differently. Month 9. Building a second income stream. If you only have one source of income, you're vulnerable. This month, explore ways to make money outside your main job. Freelancing, investing, starting an online business. Even an extra few $100s a month can change your financial future. Month 10. Emotional intelligence and mindset. Life will test you. There will be setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. This month, learn how to stay mentally strong. Practice emotional control. Learn how to handle stress, and train your mind to stay focused no matter what happens. Month 11. The success mindset. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's built. This month is about developing unshakable self-belief. Learn from your past successes, practice visualization, and build the mental toughness to go after anything you want. Month 12. Review, adjust, and expand. The final step. Look back at everything you've built. What worked, what didn't? Adjust your strategy and set even bigger goals for the next year. The goal isn't just to improve for 12 months, it's to create a lifetime of growth. Now here's the most important part. Don't just watch this video and move on. The only way this works is if you take action. Start today. Pick one area and commit to it. Imagine where you'll be 1 year from now if you actually follow through. Smarter, more skilled, wealthier, more confident, the best version of yourself. So here's my challenge for you. Drop a comment below and tell me what month you're starting with. What's the first thing you're going to work on? If you're ready to make this the most powerful year of your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make it happen. Your future self is waiting. Let's go. See you in the next video.